Is it too late to start a YouTube channel? That is the question. Well, let me help you by sharing some of the research that I've done and what I've discovered and why I think it's not too late to start. Let's get into it. Over the course of the past couple of years, and the past several years to be honest, YouTube has definitely been growing, and so has the online social media presence of influencers and anybody trying to educate online. But here's the thing, even though it seems like everybody is doing something online to make money these days, there are still so many open opportunities and room for growth in many areas. And if you believe that you have value to share with people on a certain topic that you are an expert in or that you just are well educated on, I definitely recommend that you share it with people online, because one, this is a great way to reach people that you aren't able to reach by teaching in person. Additionally, it may seem like it's oversaturated online with people talking about that content, but nobody is you. And I know that this is kind of cliche to say, but being you is the best thing that you can possibly do to be your own brand and share your style with every single person who's watching you, because nobody is going to get the exact same message and the exact same content and feeling and vibe from another influencer. So if you're talking about something that you're really passionate about and that you know a lot about and you genuinely think you can help people with, then all the power to you. Now, a lot of people, again, have started doing YouTube and TikTok and many different platforms online, such as online courses, to share content like this with people and also bring in an income online. But there are many people who don't stick with it. In fact, I'd say the majority of people who I know who have started a YouTube channel in the past year have given up already. And it's really a lot of work up front, but it is the kind of thing that later on can be very lucrative if you really stick to it and bring quality value and content to people that you're speaking to. So for example, my channel that I've created here on YouTube was a mom channel, and that was the door that I used to enter into YouTube. I wanted to share my life as a new mom to twins and help other moms who were going through similar stages as me, because I was learning so much along the way. And I found that there were a lot of other people in that same niche that wanted to be partners with me. So I did. I met tons of people in communities online through different YouTube groups on Facebook, as well as in the YouTube community itself. And there are so many different ways to network, and we did tons of collaborations, and I found so much joy with connecting with other people who are going through similar things as I was in my business. But then I found it very interesting to watch so many of the people who I totally connected with decide that it wasn't for them. And a lot of people aren't able to commit for a really long time to something that does take a lot of effort up front and can take a little while to show a return. But I will tell you that I did actually get monetized after only 9 months of being on YouTube. I am making a few $100s every single month, and from just getting monetized with sharing my lifestyle in a vlog format, that is something that I think is not very common for people to succeed that quickly. And again, that's part of why I want to share this with you, because it is possible. And honestly, I think in any topic that you're interested in talking about, it is possible to make an income even when there are tons of other people talking about it. I think motherhood lifestyle specifically, like I said, that's what I was doing, is a topic that a lot of people want to talk about, especially during the pandemic when mothers were at home all the time, and if their kids were going to school, then they were at home with them. And oh my gosh, I have so much respect for the mothers who were at home with the school-aged kids while trying to run a full-time business or work a job. I think that's definitely a lot on your plate. But with that said, a lot of them wanted to share their experience that they were going through on YouTube. And so those people were able to create an income online by doing something like that. And if they gave up, then oh well, but I hope that they find their way back to it, honestly. And I hope that you stick with it too. So the biggest thing that I'll say is YouTube has always been one of the biggest search engines. It's literally the second search engine to Google. And additionally, it's one of the things that people are looking to for educational content. And honestly, even on that TV, now that it's featured as one of the apps that people can use to watch TV on, a lot of people are actually using it to watch their content. I mean, it's the new Netflix, to be honest, in my opinion. It's just a thing that people are going to binge watch, to learn, to connect with other people in the same space as them who are doing similar things. things or things that they would like to do in the future. I mean, there are no better places to go, honestly, if you're just looking to learn something quickly and for free. Now, again, there are online courses and things that you can take in that space as well, but I will encourage you to start your channel now because it is not too late. Like I said, tons of people are diving in, but tons of people are not sticking to it. So be one of the people that sticks to it and see it through. Set your goals early. And I've got a whole nother video about how to set your goals for your YouTube channel and the goals that I'm setting as well, just to give you an idea of what I think is possible. And I hope that you watch that video next. I hope that this was helpful in encouraging you to start your channel and know that it is absolutely possible. Let's compare blogs. Tons of people are still starting blogs and tons of them are still growing and becoming successful from starting new. Now, look at the number of people who are starting YouTube channels in comparison to blogs. Way less. I know that's still a big number, but it's definitely less. And if people are interested in starting a blog, then I don't see why not start a YouTube channel. The chances are better, definitely. It does take some effort again, and I'm going to tell you a lot about how it is possible to stick to it and how to encourage yourself to keep going when it gets hard in another video. But for now, I hope that this reminded you that it is possible, and I encourage you to go for it. And I'll be happy to help along the way as much as I can. Let me know in the comments what questions you have about my experience and how I've grown so quickly on YouTube, and I would love to help you in your journey as well. If you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel for more encouraging and helpful content on this topic, and smash that like button if you enjoyed this video or gained any value at all. Thanks, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great day.